At the private detective's office, Julia suspects that her husband is having an extramarital affair. She goes to a detective's office. Good afternoon, ma'am. Can I help you?
Hello, I need your assistance.
Of course, ma'am. What seems to be the issue?
I want you to follow the man in this photo.
Please, give me the photo. Who is he?
He is my husband.
Why do you want us to follow him?
Do I really need to disclose the reason?
Yes, ma'am. Without understanding the circumstances, we can't take the case. Our work is conducted within legal boundaries.
Can I trust your privacy?
Absolutely, ma'am. Client confidentiality is fundamental to our operation. Your privacy is our priority.
All right, I'll tell you. I suspect my husband is having an extramarital affair with a colleague. I need evidence. I want you to follow him and see who he meets every day.
I see. What makes you think that?
I lack concrete evidence, but his recent behavior has been suspicious.
I understand. Can you elaborate on his recent behavior?
Recently, his conduct has given rise to concerns. He's frequently coming home much later than usual, contrasting with his prior punctuality. Moreover, prior to our marriage, he displayed a pattern of engaging in multiple relationships, resembling his current behavior.
Have you confronted him about this change?
Yes, I did. He's dismissive. He claimed it was due to work overtime, but I sensed he was being untruthful. I need to know the truth, please.
I understood. How long would you like us to track his activities?
For a continuous 24/7 surveillance over the next 2 weeks.
Okay, we'll take on the case.
Please be discreet. I don't want to create any unnecessary tension until we're sure.
I understood. An advance payment of 30% is required, and the remainder upon completion.
Okay,